So when do we need to use the abacus rule? Well, that is when we do not have enough beats to operate with, right? So in this simple example here, we have 11 plus 9, okay? So we have 1 in the 10th place and 1 in the singles place. Here I have 11 already uh, put in, right? And now I want to add 9, right? So 9 is 1 beat from the top, which is 5, and I would like to move 4 beats from the bottom up, right, to make a 9. But I only have 3 to operate, and therefore there are not enough beats for me to work on. And so here I must need to operate the abacus with the rule, right? Now, what is the rule? The rule is the tens complements, right? Which is quite straightforward, right? We all know that the pair of numbers, I mean, the pairs that make the number 10, right? We have the complements here. So 1 plus 9 is 10, and so and 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5, and 5. So these are the pairs of complements that make 10, right? And so we are using this rule of tens complements, right? And so because 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, and therefore, looking at 9, right? Looking at 9, we say that the tens complement of 9 is 1, right? So the complement is the middle number here, right? So we can see 9 as a combination of 10 minus 1, right? 10 minus 1. And so the operation rule, the addition rule here is that we minus the complement and then we plus 10 in the abacus. All right. Similarly, if we are adding 8 and we don't have enough beats, then we minus 2 from the abacus and add 10 to the abacus. Similarly, if we have to enter 7 and there are not enough beats to work on, then we would do minus 3 beats from the abacus and adding 10 in the 10th, adding 1 in the 10th place, so on and so forth, right? So on and so forth. And so and so in our example, right? In our example, we have 11, and then we would like to add 9, right? We would like to add 9, and we know that there is not enough beats to work on, and so we have to follow this addition rule, and the rule is minus the complement plus 10, right? So we minus the complement, which is 1, right? So we lower the 1, we lower the singles place by 1, and we add 1 to the tens place. Right, so that's the operation of adding 9 when we don't have enough beats to work on, right? So the final answer here is 20, right? 20. So that is the addition rule using abacus, right? So once again, it is minus the complement plus 10, right? Now let's work on, let's try another example, right? Try another example. So here I have 23 plus 9, right? 23 plus 9. So 2 in the tens place, 3 in the singles place. Now I would like to add 9. I only have 6 left, right? So I'm not able to add 9 without the rule. So using the rule, right? Using the rule, once again, it is minus the complement plus 10. So I minus 1, which is the complement, and add 10. All right. So the answer I have here is 32, right? 32. Okay. The next one, I want to do, let's say, 25 plus 5. Okay, so for 5, the complement is 5, right, to make 10. So here I only have 4 left, so there's I don't have enough beats to simply add 5, right? So following this rule, right, it says minus the complement, which is 5, and plus 10. So minus the complement and plus 10. So 25 plus 5 is 30, right? 30. Okay.